But at least my curls are back. Ooh, I broke something. Do I pat it dry? Like, what do I do? Oh, that's on my eye. It's on my eye.
No, listen. You know how I feel about you.
Hey guys, so this video has been long awaited. I need to take these braids out. I've had them in for about since January, but not like these braids. I've had a black, like straight black braids in since January. Then I took them out in March, and then I put these in for my birthday. But we're taking these out. My hair needs to be washed like desperately. What is it? It's May, March, April, May, June. I've only had them in for like 3 months, but my hair is really grown out. My hair has grown out so much, like you can just tell, like at the front, in the back. Like if you move my hair right now, you can literally see how bad it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. I'm so sad. I love these braids, but they need to go. I don't know, I just like having my hair done at all times. I kind of like, ooh, okay, I need a mirror. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna watch. I might watch some Fruit Basket. We might watch some MHA. I don't know. I think we're gonna go Fruit Basket actually. I thought that my hair would actually be worse, but it's not. You can just like a little bit of, you know, dirt up there. Is my camera about to die? Oh my god. Okay, so you'll see when I'm like mostly done, because my camera's about to die. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is gonna be a mess. Maybe I shouldn't, because that was a little bit, oh my god, it's a mess everywhere. I'll do that after. I need to wash my hair and then we'll do all that. I was trying to condition my hair. And this is the hardest thing ever. Oh my god. It's proving to be difficult. But at least my curls are back. Ooh, kind of nice. I'm so tired. I can't get this comb through my head, and it's a little bit overwhelming. So, and my hair is shedding like crazy. Like, can y'all like that's insane. Like it's just so tangled at the roots. Looks nice, right? I can't get. Do you see that? I can't get my hand through that. I broke something. Yeah, one of the things broke in my hair. Okay, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. That came out of that knot. That's pretty scary. So we're fresh out of washing my hair. I'm actually gonna hop into the shower. I'm trying this new method where you only use gel and water in your hair, and it's like a wash and go. I've never done a wash and go before, so we're gonna see how this works. My hair is just kind of all over the place. I don't know, man. I don't know. So I feel like my hair is gonna be dry. Regardless, if it doesn't work for me, I'm just gonna wash it out. Like, I don't know, it's not that big of a deal. So we're gonna be using the curling gel souffle by Shea Moisture and the extreme styling gel. We're gonna put this in first and go after with this. I don't know, we're just gonna try something. Okay, so it's gonna be a mess. Oh, hot. I don't know if this is gonna work, man. I'm kind of nervous. It's the fact that oh my god, I'm getting water everywhere. Okay, I don't know. She said to take your gel. There's like so much water in my gel right now, and like this. Personally, it feels like it's not doing anything yet. So this is just gel, nothing else. And I'm using a lot of this gel, so this gel ain't cheap, my guy. So, but I am getting like curls. All right. I see y'all. I literally have never done this before, so this is kind of weird. I don't really know what I'm looking for, but we're doing something. Was I supposed to like bring out my hair first? I don't know. All right. I see something. Do I brush it? Oh, my hair. Make sure it's fully saturated. I can go like that. That's pretty cute actually. Alright, we're gonna go with the second gel because the girl used 2, so I'm gonna use 2 as well. Here's the wet line. It's blue. I've never used these products before in my hair. So, ooh. Okay, slip. Oh my Lord have mercy. Okay, so let's do the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna wash my hands and wash like the rest of my whole body, and we're gonna get the diffuser and go ham. All right. Do I pat it dry? Like, what do I do? Oh, that's on my eye. It's on my eye. Okay, I'm out of the shower. My hair is already shrinking, I can see it, but I am going to go ahead and take a diffuser. Oh my God, the amount of gel that's in my hair right now. Ugh. I'm gonna take the diffuser and just diffuse it. I'm scared it's gonna get so like short, but whatever. Okay, we'll see how I feel about it throughout the day. Is it greasy? Yes. Because I use so much gel, like my hands are very greasy. Show my mother the finished result. She's probably gonna hate it, but you know, try new things. So this is the finished product. My mom doesn't like it, like I said she wouldn't, but she's cute. Would I do this again? I would try with different products, only because it's sticky. Like, I don't know, I touch it and like my hands are covered in oil. I really think it's a Shea Moisture, so maybe next time I just won't use the Shea Moisture. Like, it's not working for me because every time I touch my hair, I have the feeling to go wash my hands. I kind of frizzed it up. I used some Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. Yeah, I will see you guys in a few days. Okay, so update with my hair. I like the method, but the only thing that I have a problem with is the gels that I'm using. They are so sticky, or like it's just like it's not drying down. Like, I get that we want it to be moisturized, but can you dry it down for me please a little bit? But my hair was very moisturized. Oh, Coco's coming, hold on. I want to do more hair videos like this. I kind of just forgot that I had hair because I had those braids in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful, fantabulous, amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.